today I'm going to harvest a couple of the things that I've been growing. I'm talking on my phone because I'm not sure if that you guys can hear me, so hopefully it's picking up good audio. But yeah, so we're gonna be harvesting my stuff today. The rabbits have decided to harvest before me, so I'm a little sad, and let's give a little moment of silence for my tomatoes that they decided to eat. Okay, let's get started. So I got my basket, and let's see what we have going on. So here are a couple of the tomatoes that I got growing. So a couple of them are getting ripe, but I had one right there and they ate it. So I'm really sad. So I gotta harvest it before they finish eating it. That one looks a little weird. So we'll see what happens. But let's start harvesting. Okay, so we're gonna start by harvesting this one. Pretty big one. There's a little tear right here. I think I'm gonna leave these, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna take them. A little bit here. This one looks really weird, and it looks like it has a couple of holes in it actually, so I don't know. It's pretty deformed. Focus. Pretty deformed. Has like holes in it. Let me make that one out. So what we have so far. First harvest. What we have so far. Pretty exciting. Let's see what else we can get. So I think this one actually got eaten. We got some jalapenos here. Just gonna do one because we don't eat a lot of these. I don't know if you guys can see that there's a poblano right here, and it's not getting any bigger, so I'm gonna cut it. The poblano pepper. Pretty nice. This is supposed to be a pasilla, but this is also supposed to be a pasilla, and they look nothing alike, so I don't really know what this is. I'm gonna let it keep going, but this one looks pretty done, so I'm gonna cut it. Pretty big. I'm gonna do two. I'll leave these to grow a bit bigger. Let's keep going. There's a bell pepper over there, down there, and it's not getting any bigger, so I'm gonna get it now. So this plant right here, I feel like it's not doing that well, so I'm gonna pluck whatever I have right now. So even though they're a little small, I don't trust it. This one's already looking a little weird right there, so it's coming with me. I have a lot of these. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the jalapeno that's right here, because it doesn't seem to be getting any bigger either. So I'm gonna pluck it. This plant is not looking good at all, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna take it off, and I think that cucumber is actually pasao. It's not doing well. So just gonna pluck it. It's a little disarmed right here. I'm just gonna cut all of these off right now. I might just take off this whole plant, to be honest. Okay. This is what we have so far. I think I also want to get, I don't know. I'm so pretty. These flowers aren't doing that well. I think we have some corn ready, but I'm not confident. Let's check. So there's one growing right here, as you guys can see, but I'm not sure if it's ready. It looks like it might be, but I'm gonna check it. I'm nervous. I honestly can't tell. I don't see any juices coming out, but I opened it this much, so I think I'm just gonna take it off. I think I'm just gonna take it off. Corn. Let's see. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my god. I hope it's ready. I don't even know. I think it is. Oh my god. My first corn. It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. First time growing corn. Success. Success. Let's go. And here's my harvest. I think I did pretty good for my first time growing anything. So this is really cool. I'm really excited. As you can see. I'm really excited. I think success for my first harvest from my first garden. I was hoping to wait a little longer. I kind of wanted more things to be ripe, but the bunnies around here, the rabbits, are saying something else, so I had to get it earlier. But I'm really happy and just excited to try it. I've never had like a homegrown tomato, a homegrown anything really, so I'm thinking of making a video where I kind of try it and stuff like that, but I might do that later on. But thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys have any suggestions for anything, I hope you guys like this video. Bye guys.